Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some problems in haloalkenes and haloarene chapter. It's a very important chapter. So I already told you, just go through all the name reactions, then only it will be easy. Now see the first question, the reactions of tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide produces dash. Okay, tertiary butyl bromide means that is tertiary butyl bromide. So around the carbon atom we have 3 carbon atom is there. This is called what? Tertiary butyl bromide. Understood? Okay. This is called tertiary butyl bromide. Reacts with what? Sodium methoxide. So sodium methoxide means methyl alcohol. CH3OH. That is called methyl alcohol. Instead of H you put what? Sodium. This is called what? Sodium methoxide. Okay. Okay, so here that suppose here for getting ether, which is the important factor means primary alkyl halides is very important. Then only we can get ether. But it's not a primary, no, it is a tertiary. If you have tertiary compounds means we are going to get only alkene is obtained. So that, so minus NABR, so minus NABR is removed. Okay, understood? Remaining, the C3O, it takes one hydrogen from this methyl group. Now it will be what? So this will be removed, that. So this NABR is removed. Then CH3O plus one H minus what? Minus, CH3OH. Understood? CH3OH. Okay, this will be removed. Remaining will be the compounds. Are you following? If you have primary alkyl halides, will be getting what? Only ethers. But if you have secondary, tertiary means you will be getting alkene. So that you just keep in mind. So the product will be what? Here H will be removed. The product will be CH3, C down, CH3. Understood? Okay. Here also what? Here double bond CH2. Understood? Right? Okay. So this is called isobutylene. Okay, so double bond, no. So here, no double bond here. So we are getting what? Isobutylene. So D is the answer. Are you following? Okay. Just remember, if you have primary alkyl halides, then only we get ethers. Primary alkyl halides. If you have secondary as well as tertiary, we will not get ethers. We will be getting only alkene. So, okay, then only you can, this idea if you know means you can be able to solve this sum. Okay, next one. Chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium in dry ether to give compound A, which further reacts with ethanol to yield dash. Okay, chlorobenzene, the formula C6H5Cl. Chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium. We are getting Grignard reagents obtained. So the product will be what? C6H5MgCl. This is called Grignard reagents. Then again that reacts with what? Further reacts with ethanol. So ethanol, the formula, that is what? CH3 CH2 OH. Understood? So ethanol. So here mostly the suppose whenever the Grignard reagent reacts with water molecule as well as any alcohol molecules, always we are going to get only one alkane is obtained, nothing but one hydrocarbon is obtained. So in this case the hydrocarbon is what? Always this will be the hydrocarbon. So C6H5, one hydrogen it takes from here. Okay, so we will be getting what? Benzene. That's the product. Understood? So here C6H6. Understood? Always we will be getting only hydrocarbon. So answer will be what? So benzene is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Third one, an organic compound A, C4H9Cl on reaction with sodium. Whenever you see sodium means you must know what kind of name reaction means. It's called Woods reaction. Okay, gives hydrocarbon which on monochlorination gives only one chloro derivatives. Okay, then A is what they are asking. Okay, suppose this is called for tertiary. If you have 4 carbon alkyl halides, we have 4 isomers are possible, Yeah. Suppose N-butyl chloride, isobutyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, which butyl chloride if you take, but we should get only one chloro derivatives, monochlorination only taking place. Okay, so I am taking only tertiary butyl bromide. See, tertiary butyl bromide. What's the formula for tertiary butyl bromide? Tertiary. It's called tertiary, Okay. Are you following? Here we have 4 isomers are possible. Are you following? But I am taking only one isomer. This only is going to give only monochlorination. Okay. So CH3. Okay, CH3. No, Cl. Understood? Cl. Then reacts with sodium. If you see sodium means it's a Woods reaction. So you write this in 2 times. Understood? Sodium in 2 times. You know that outright Woods reaction. Then this also you write in reverse. Okay. See here CH3. Understood? Here also CH3. Here also what? CH3. You know that. Okay. Right. The reaction takes place in presence of ether medium. So you know that one hydrocarbon is obtained. This will be removed. Understood? NaCl. Here also NaCl will be removed. What kind of hydrocarbon means? We are getting, so understood. So this will be removed. This also NaCl. Here also NaCl. Okay. So remaining this group, this carbon-carbon linkage taking place. You know that's outright here CH3, CH3. Understood? Here also CH3. Then C. Here also CH3. Okay. Here also CH3. Understood? Okay. Then this hydrocarbon, which on monochlorination gives only one monochloride derivatives. That's the question. Okay. So here, wherever if you replace chlorine, the compounds will be same. The CH3, all are CH3. No. Any place we can replace the hydrogen by chlorine. That's called monochloride derivatives. The compounds looking like same. Then only which kind of compound we should take means among the 4. This is among the 4 compounds isomers. If you take tertiary butyl bromide, that's a correct one. Understood? So this is correct one. Are you following? If you take secondary butyl, isobutyl, we will not get this one. Okay. Next one. Elimination reactions of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene. Okay. So everything is given. It is elimination reaction. 2-bromopentane. It's a reactant. Pent-2-ene is a product. Okay. So under this, what kind of reaction they are asking. Okay. So it is called, it's a beta elimination reaction. It follows Yates of rule. Okay. It's a dehydrogenation. So among this, so ABC is correct. Understood? ABC is correct. So what? So option A. Are you following? Convert 2-bromopentane to pent-2-ene. It's a what kind of reaction they are asking. Understood? Okay. So if you want means I will write once again the equation. 2-bromopentane means you know that pentane means what? We have 5 carbon. 2-bromo means what? 2 having bromine. Then you can fill by hydrogen. You know that CH3. Here was H. Here what? CH2. Here also CH2. Here what? CH3. Understood? Okay. Then dehydrogenation. No, dehydrogenation what? Here if you put alcoholic KOH, then we will be getting what? Dehydrogenation taking place. So what? So this will be removed. No, you know that. Okay. Understood? Okay. From alpha carbon, bromine is removed. From beta carbon, the hydrogen is removed. So minus HBr. It's called dehydrohalation. D means what? Removal. Hydro means hydrogen. Halogen means any halogens. So removal of minus HBr. Okay. We can take bromine. We can take hydrogen from this side also. No. But what rule we can follow? Yates of rule. If you take hydrogen from here, the alkene will be less stable. If you take hydrogen from that side, then only more stable alkene is obtained. Okay. So then only